Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is equivalent versions of the fifth postulate from your chapter equivalence geometry. So first of all, we should understand what is your fifth postulate. See, fifth postulate means if we have a line, so first discuss it to a figure. If we have two straight lines, if I have two straight lines and the straight line falls on this two straight lines, okay. Now you have to consider this interior angles. Okay. So you have to consider this interior angles and that interior angles which is less than 90 degrees. So if I say this is 60 degree, this is 50 degree, it will be 120 degree and it will be 130 degree. Okay. So there are two sides. Okay. There are two sides. This is 60 degree and 50 degree angle side, and this is 120 degree and 130 degree. So we have to extend the line. So we have to extend the line on the sides of the angles which are less than 90 degrees. That means on this side, we have to extend the lines, okay, and we will see that after some time they will meet at one point. So which on which side we should extend the line? On the side where your angles are less than 90 degree acute angle. It is not possible here. Okay, if you try to extend this line, they will never meet. Okay, so only the meeting point will be generated here only. Clear? This is the fifth postulate statement, but later on there is some modification made on this fifth postulate. So let us understand it. And if I give a naming, this is your L, this is your M, this is your N. So your N line will be called your transversal. So this N line is your transversal. So now after this, there are some modification made on this fifth postulate. So what is that? Later on, the fifth postulate was modified. The fifth postulate was modified as under: for every line capital L and for every point capital P, for every line capital L and for every point capital P not lying on capital L, there exists a unique line capital M passing through capital P and parallel to L. So see what this statement means. Later on, the fifth postulate was modified as under: for every line capital L. Okay, so let us take a line L, simple line L, and for every point P lying or not lying on L. Okay, for every point P, let us take P point here. There exists a unique line capital M, okay, passing through P and parallel to L. Okay, that means there is only one point, only one line passing through this point. Let us say this line is your M, as it is given in your statement. So there exists a unique line capital M. This is the only unique line. This is only one line that will be passing through capital P and it will be parallel to capital L. Okay, so this is your the modification made from the fifth postulate. So earlier it was in fifth postulate it was given that just you have to draw any two lines. One line is drawn. This is your transversal, and after that you will be getting an acute angle and obtuse angle on one of the sides. This side your acute angle sides, that is 90 degree, less than 90 degree. This is your obtuse angle sides. So that means if we extend this So here you will get the meeting point. So here there is no scope of meeting since both the lines we are considering here as a parallel line. So there is no scope if I draw any transversal also, and I can take the angles acute, and but there is no scope of joining and extending and meeting point of the line. So this is your modified statement of fifth postulate. So first of all, you should know the fifth postulate statement, what it means. This is the original fifth postulate statement. So this is your the secondary, that is your very modified statement. Okay. So this was all about the session. So I hope you understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.